Okay, it's the update on about the end of the second week. So, I mentioned before we got everything tore out, and what I did today is just worked on laying out the lines where the walls are going to be. And so we got a corner here. You can see where that wall is going to continue down. Try and get a better angle here. So this wall with the restroom and the cleaner's room is going to continue down there at the change machines, the ATM, the soap. All the water heating equipment will be in that back corner. It will be pushed back far enough that pad's got to come out. And it'll be pushed back far enough that we'll have room here for maybe 2 more big dryers, should we need to add them in. We got all the ones across the back. As it worked out, that we left about 6 inches that end, and then we come across here, and we end up with about 2 feet here, which is good because the dryer door is going to swing open this way. So it should bring the edge of the last dryer door just about to that corner. And I'll have a straight line back to the back door for the trash bin and stuff. Then there's going to be a door here that takes us back into the back of the dryer for service and get us back into the power and water heaters and stuff. So these randomly placed trash cans and benches and whatever else had around here, what they're symbolizing is, let me get a little shock absorber for my arm. So here you can see where the bulkhead's going to be. The end of it's going to be right there, and then it's going to come up here, and it's going to end right about there. And then that's just about the corner of where the washer is going to be there, and that's the corner where the washer is going to be here. Then you've got your center aisle down here, which is not right lined up with the door, but that's okay. That wasn't a big stress. But people are coming in are going to walk straight into, a couple of big washers here and just what they need, and have a clear run down to the dryers. So if somebody's coming back to the dryer, it's just a straight pass through the store. This is the other one, the corner of the second bulkhead. It comes up right, get my fingers in the right spot here, right there. So it'll come up to here and stop right on the edge where that grout is. And so that's the one corner. The other corner is this bench here. Now, the concern I had back here is I want to put in the kids area. The original plan showed over the other side by the restroom, but it gets kind of crowded over there. So I figure I'll just have some chairs and stuff sitting over in that area. But right here, I used some of the track from that old conveyor to mark out the 4x8 size that it normally is. And the concern I wanted to make sure was that the space from the corner of this washer to the corner of the kids area isn't too small, because the future drop-off area is going to be here. So this would be the area where, just the drop-off customer is going to walk into. And then what this washer we got here represents is where the counter will be. So we'll have a little bit of space here for the folding door to slide out of the way, and then we'll have the main counter there, and then there'll be a walk through here. So it sets up pretty good. That continues on to be the fake wall there. One thing I didn't realize that I needed here is I'd set that up for 10 feet deep, and then it'd be 40 feet, 10 feet wide, 40 feet deep for the drop-off area. That 10 feet actually pulled this wall out. Get this squeezed over here. Pulled that wall out to there, and I was concerned it was getting a little too compressed here. The biggest concern was it pulled this kids area right up beside, another 2 feet this way beside that last washer, and it just seemed to be really compressed in here. So I pushed that back there. I may stagger that wall just a bit. It's a bit of a pain to do, but that's always an option too, is to leave that wall there but step it back on this side so it lines up with the edge of that the wall and not the window. So that would push that back, and then we'd actually step out right about here. Let me get back. Use my fingers like I normally do. Seems to work a little easier. So the counter would be there, it would come across, and then we'd come out and go across where this wall is here.